Today, I'm going to share a Google Sheet template that extracts the SEO metadata for Shopify products in bulk. Let's see how it works. But before we jump in, let me quickly explain what SEO metadata actually is. When you search on Google or Bing, you see results that look like this. This part is the meta title and this is the meta description. These don't always match what's on the actual page. They are written to attract clicks and bring people to your site. For Shopify products, you can actually set custom meta titles and descriptions. For example, this product has one title on the page, but a different meta title for search engines. If you don't set custom metadata, Shopify will use your product title and description by default. So it's always a good idea to write keyword optimized meta titles and descriptions. For WordPress websites, I have got another video on optimizing metadata. The link is in the description below. Now let's see how to extract meta titles and descriptions for all your Shopify products into a Google Sheet so you can review and optimize them easily. If you visit your Shopify domain and add /sitemap.xml, you will see all the sitemaps listed there. These include sitemaps for products, pages, collections, and blogs. Just copy the product sitemap URL and paste it into cell 1 of the Google Sheet. Then click the button that says Extract Metadata. In just a few seconds, it will pull all the metadata for every product ready for you to analyze. This is the product title, what you see on the page. This is the product meta title for SEO, and this is the product meta description. If your product doesn't have custom metadata, the corresponding fields will be blank. You can then rewrite and improve them in your Shopify store to boost your click-through rate. I also have another video, a full step-by-step checklist for Shopify SEO. In that video, I covered free keyword research tools, URL optimization, image SEO, how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console, and more. Be sure to check it out. Now let me show you how you can get this Google Sheet absolutely free. You will find a link in the video description to make a copy of the Google Sheet and start using it right away. When you visit the link, you will see this page. Click this Make a Copy button to copy the Google Sheet into your Google account. Then copy the product sitemap for your Shopify store. Paste the sitemap URL in cell A1. Click this Extract Metadata button. For the first time, you need to authorize the script to run it into your Google account. I'll click the OK button. I'll select my Google account. Here I'll select the advanced option. And then I'll select Go to Extract Shopify SEO Metadata Unsafe option. You don't need to worry about it because the script is completely safe. I'll click this link. I'll select all the permissions it requires. I'll click the Continue button. And within a second, it extracted all the product titles, product meta titles, and the product meta descriptions. If you have multiple product sitemaps, then you can extract the metadata one after another. Just copy the link into this cell A1 and click this button Extract Metadata. It will remove all the previous information and pull the new metadata from that sitemap. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tools and tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.